Cecile's an amazing person. She is in many ways. She's delightful. She's incredibly resilient. She's responsible, phenomenal visionary and creative leader. She runs a great school and is just remarkably responsible in the process.
She is truly deserving of this as a visionary leader. She has tenacity and resilience, and considering she's probably the longest standing dean at this time, she has learned to be adaptive, creative, and be ahead of the curve in dental education.
There's a consistency in the strength of her leadership, and the fact that she's always there willing to help is a substantial and reassuring support to myself. Even though I've been in this role for more than a decade, it's always assuring to have a friend that you can call and rely on.
Dentistry is an incredible profession. It combines everything from artistic talents to a biomedical background to working with people that allows you to really make a difference in this world. And so that's the reason why I selected dentistry as a professional path. Every single day I come into the Rutgers School of Dental Medicine and I have an amazing group of students, faculty, and staff. We share information. We're always thinking of new ideas, new approaches towards things. And so that's what this award is really about.
She has just completed a very large multi-center NIH-funded study that she did while dean. She applied for it as dean. She hasn't had a formal training in clinical trials, which is my field, so I understand it and respect it accordingly. And she pulled this off, both getting funded from NIH to do this, pulled off the study, a very important study as part of this, and all while being a leader of her school.
One of the beneficial attributes of the very large NIH trial that Dr. Feldman has been running is a couple of things. First of all, it's using an oral surgery wisdom tooth post-surgical model for pain control. One of the attributes about it was the controlled fashion, that it was one standard set of medications that was being used, a non-opiate option versus an opiate option, with a standardized follow-up in terms of pain assessment.
One of the reasons why we embarked upon the study is that we know that for young individuals that are exposed to opioids, there's an increase in the likelihood of them abusing it and getting addicted in the future. The evidence that's out there to support that a non-opioid combination of analgesics is better than a combination of opioid analgesics. The study that we embarked upon, the opioid analgesic reduction study, we enrolled over 1,800 subjects, and the results were phenomenal, actually, much stronger than what we anticipated.
And what she showed is that over-the-counter opiates can actually do a better job in relieving pain than opiates can. So it'll have a major public health impact in addition.
She's been instrumental with looking at new ways to try to assess the management of acute pain by a variety of different therapeutic approaches that would not rely necessarily on opiates. And she's doing this as a standing dean and then taking on a very large multi-center clinical project at the same time. And I think that speaks to being able to do multiple things. She's very good at spinning multiple plates at once.
When I think of Dean Feldman, first as a person, she's an amazing woman. As far as caring, compassionate, and confident. As a leader, the words are creative, innovative, and the fact that you can become a dean and stay dean for many years at one institution is not often seen in this day and age.
When I give advice to people, I always emphasize to them that they should be pursuing what they've got a passion for. Because if you've got a passion for something, then you'll probably be pretty good at it. And so for individuals that are looking to get involved in dental education and to pursue leadership opportunities, make sure it's something that you're really passionate about, because if you are, you'll be phenomenal at it.
Well, I was thrilled that she was chosen by the Gies Foundation for the Leadership and Vision Award, because I can't think of another, at least dean, that has been as consistent and wonderful as she has been in articulating a vision to help to move the profession forward.
I was shocked when I first found out that I was a recipient of the Gies Award. I think I was speechless. But then I kind of calmed down a little bit. And the award is really not about me, but it's about everybody who, I've worked with over the years and the teams that I've been able to work with.
She's so good. She's so responsible. She's so visionary. Our School of Dental Medicine has a number of new innovations, teledentistry, digital dentistry, that she's really developed. She's a national leader in dental education, which really makes us proud. It's good for our students. It's good for the university.
So Cecile, I want to congratulate you very much for this receiving the Gies Leadership and Vision Award. I can't think of another person who deserves it more. Thank you for all you do.
Dr. Feldman, Cecile, my dear friend, I am so honored to be one of the people who can speak about your attributes. I'm privileged to have you as a friend, and most importantly, you're a colleague that is trusted and who are offering candid coaching remarks to all of your colleagues to advance us all. So you are so deserving of this. I'm so happy for you, and I'm proud to be your friend. Thank you.